Hey there, want to get rid of those pesky scars? No worries, we've got you covered. The coolest way to make those scars disappear. Trust me, it's easier than you think. We've got this super cool cream that's packed with all these fancy ingredients, moisturizers, and antioxidants. It's not just some random mix. It's actually backed by science and proven to work. The best part, it can help those pesky scars fade away and even shrink them down. For real. Dermefface FX7 is here to help you kick those pesky scars to the curb. No more letting them boss you around. It's time to show your skin who's in charge. Dermefface FX7 Scar Reduction Therapy is this cool natural thing that works with how your skin renews itself every 28 days. It's all about getting your skin to make the right amount of collagen and pushing those pesky scarred cells up to the surface. Then, boom, they're gone, and you've got fresh, normal skin popping up instead. Before you know it, you're rocking that smooth, scar-free look that'll turn heads. Pretty neat, right? And get this, you don't have to deal with any of that painful laser stuff or shell out big bucks for steroid shots. No, it's way easier than that. All you gotta do is slap on this awesome cream twice a day. It feels great, doesn't leave you all greasy, and soaks in super quick. Before you know it, you'll start seeing some pretty sweet results. How cool is that? Look, here's the deal with Dermefface FX7. It is a clinically proven active ingredient, 100% focused on scar reduction. As soon as you slap it on, work on all skin layers, top, middle, and deep. It speeds up healing and gets your skin pumping out more collagen, which is the stuff that keeps your skin looking young and bouncy. Dermefface FX7 revs up your skin cell turnover, basically telling your body to ditch the scarred cells faster and replace them with fresh, normal ones. It's riding on your skin's natural month-long renewal cycle, aiming to fade those scars quicker and more noticeably. Some folks say they start seeing changes in about a month, but remember, everyone's skin is different, so your mileage may vary. Want to know more about Dermefface FX7 and why it's so great for scars? Just click the link below and check out the video. Dr. David's got the scoop on why he tells his patients to use this stuff, whether they've got scars from accidents or surgeries. It's pretty cool to see the science behind it all.